Hello, Bible journaling friends. It's Jade from theholymess.com, and today I have a sneak peek at the new Illustrated Faith devotional kit, This is Love. I am so excited about this kit because I love Valentine's Day. I have to tell you, don't tell my teenage son that I told you, but something special that our family does is we make homemade Valentines for everybody in the family every year. And so I love that family tradition that we have. But sometimes Valentine's Day gets a little overdone. So I am really excited about this kit because it just feels brand new, and everything in it is just not your typical Valentine's Day fare. So let me show you what they have for us this month. So we'll go ahead and start with the intro card. The kit's name is This is Love, and we have 5 devotional cards, each with a different color and theme. And I love the colors of this kit. We have some greens. We have several different kinds of greens, several different kinds of pinks. So whatever type of gal you are, you're going to find something absolutely wonderful that you're going to love about this kit. I love this one. There's some things that we see repeated from last month's kit, and there's some things that are brand new. We also have 2 sets of clear sticker sheets, limited edition, one of a kind, unique, chosen, as well as some of those hearts and flags that we all love from Illustrated Faith. There is a set of stamps. This month they've given us John, This is Love, a small hexie and a medium hexie, which I know that I'm going to see a lot. And then these look like little arrows, but if you turn them the other way, they're actually the super cute hearts that you see that's pulling in from the rest of the kit. John 3:16, This is True Love. Some very bold Mod washi tape. I love the colors. We have green, pink, dark green, with hearts all over it. Let me get a few things. I like to put it down on the paper so that you guys see what it'll look like when you put it on your Bible, so you get that peek through of the washi tape. And then something that I think you're going to be very, very excited about, we have a whole slew of cutouts. So this month, of course, we have the Illustrated Faith hearts, lots of those, the hexies with all of these pretty green colors, and then we have the words from the kit that are mirrored: unique, chosen, crafted, one of a kind, loved. And one of the things I like about this kit is that the stickers and the cutouts seem to mirror each other. And this is going to be a lot of fun if you're somebody that likes to do kind of the multi-layer 3D design, or if you're doing a Bible for you and perhaps a Bible for somebody else as a gift. This is going to be great because you don't have to decide who gets the designed because there's 2 of them, or who gets the crafted because there's 2 of them. So I like that. Perfectly you. So that's what we have this month from Illustrated Faith for the This is Love devotional kit. Now this is going to be available on Illustrated Faith just in the next couple of days, so keep looking for it. But there's actually something else that I want to show you that, let me get rid of all of this wonderful goodness. Something else that I would like to show you that is available on Illustrated Faith right now. And I want to point out, I want to give you a first-hand look because sometimes it's hard to tell. Some of these are things from the You Are Loved category. So we have 2 kits going on. We have This is Love, which is the new devotional kit, and we have You Are Loved, which is separate items. It doesn't have a devotional kit, but that will actually add on to this devotional kit very, very well. So the first thing that we have is tip-ins. These are fantastic. They're very brightly colored. You get 12 different designs. This matches. If you'll see, these two kits are actually going to go very, very well together. So you get 2 each of 12 designs. And I'm keeping flipping because my favorite is coming. I love you more than you'll ever know. Reasons I love you, and his love never fails. I am just a sucker for the peonies and the gray. As well, on the You Are Loved that's available on Illustrated Faith now is the You Are Loved stamps. This is going to expand the stamps that you got from there. If you decide to order the stamp kit, we have your love, 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 love. We've got some hearts. I love. So think about that if you are a stamper and you might like to expand on your hearts. There are cardstock stickers. I think this one here has to go with that washi. And so you will find the cardstock stickers will go well with this new kit if you are interested in expanding your sticker collection, because, you know, we can't ever have enough stickers. And then the other thing from the You Are Loved is these more cutouts. So if you are a fan of the cutouts, there are lots available on Illustrated Faith right now. And some of them are just going to fit absolutely perfect with this brand new kit. So these are available on Illustrated Faith website now. This is Love kit will be available in the next couple of days. Just keep an eye out for it. And whatever you ladies decide to splurge on, please make sure that you go over to the Holy Messes Bible Journaling group and share your pages so that we can see what wonderful things you guys made with them. I'll be back in a few days for a method video for some of these things so that you can see firsthand a couple of things that I've done with them. I'm really excited about that. Blessings, ladies. Thank you very much for watching. And as always, I send you prayers for sanity.